Lobe and I are so happy to have everybody back on campus. It's great to see the activity. It's great to have everybody here. It's been far, far too quiet these last months. So as we begin this very unusual semester, let's think about gifts. And the two greatest gifts that we can give each other are first, of course, each other's health. And the second is a full semester together. And the way that we do that is to follow all of the guidelines, all of the procedures, all of the practices that people have worked hard to put in place. Wash your hands, social distance, wear a mask, all those things. Because if we do that, we can give each other these gifts. And if there is any place, any college in America that can have a full semester together in residence, it's us. It's Monmouth College. So let's show our Fighting Scots spirit. Let's show our noble Scots spirit and give each other these gifts. Have a wonderful semester. Stay strong, and we'll see you soon.